What's going on, everybody? It's Jeff here. Today is Sunday, which means the market is open tomorrow. Today, we're going to talk about the top 3 stocks that you can invest in this upcoming week and take action in on tomorrow. Okay, they're all going to be having different moves that are going to play out differently. Okay, depending on what your goals are, whether you're going to looking for that really quick high growth, you're looking to invest long term. I'm going to go over each and every single one of them in detail, so stay tuned. For those of you that don't know me, I've been investing in the stock market since I was old enough to open up a brokerage account. I'm new to YouTube. I'm a part of multiple different Discord chats and stock forums, and they said, Jeff, you got to start creating some content. I always try to help everybody out as much as I can. We're all here to make money. As long as we can move together, we're going to grow together, and we're all going to profit together. All right. So leave a comment. Let me know how I did. Like I said, I'm still new at this. Consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join part of the family. All right, so the first one that we're going to get into is this one, ticker symbol ZOM. This is Zome Medical Pharmaceuticals. This is a company that opened, it's been founded in 2013. It started to spike pretty recently. They came out with their product called Truforma. It's basically a laser detection technology that helps detect thyroid and adrenal diseases in dogs and cats. We all know that Americans love their pets. Okay, my mom probably loves the dog more than me and my brother, but we won't even get into that. So this company started to really take off. People started to get notice it, and these doctors and research said, you know what, this is really going to take off. So let's take a look at the chart. We're going to see where it's been moving, what the play is going to be, what to watch out for. Okay, so if you look back here in November, it started to kind of move up. Like I said, their products started to take off a little bit. When it first came out, they didn't know how really well it was going to do. Started to make some moves. And then if you look here, coming on almost the first of the year, the New Year's Eve, it started to kind of pop and take off. This is going to be one that this is trading at. It's trading at 48, cents. This is going to be a quick get in and get out. Okay. You see right here, there was a 2-day pullback and then it spiked up again. You can expect another pullback to happen. I don't know how much it's going to be. This one was not huge. It was 44 to 40, which is a 10%, which is actually pretty huge. Okay, so this is going to be a play that you're going to want to get in and get out of quick. Don't get caught up in it too long. We don't know where this company is going to be going. I never like to invest in anything that's under $1 for too long. Okay, but this is somewhere, if you're looking to get a quick pop in your account, whether you got a small account you're trying to grow quick, you got a large account, want to toss 500, maybe $1,000 over into kind of see where it plays out, make a quick buck. This is going to be a good move for you coming up. Okay. Next one I want to talk about, which has been great, is Microvision. Microvision is huge in the laser detection, LiDAR detection, and radar detection as well for all of the EV markets, and all of the EV companies out there. Okay. We know that Mobileye partnered, has a exclusive partnership with NIO. We know that Apple is going to be coming out with their car. That's probably not for years to come down the road, but Microvision is starting to come out with multiple, different scanning technologies and laser beams and so forth. This is going to play huge for all types of autonomous driving, okay, in the future. All right, let's take a look at what this stock looks like. As you can see, it's been trending up. We're about to hit the support line, okay, that I had kind of drawn. It did definitely reach a support of 521. It's trading at 590 right now. You see this pop up here on, a little bit before Christmas, guys. This came through, I believe there was news about acquisition, okay, which really drove the stock up. It kind of cooled off. I don't know if that acquisition is going to be happening or if it's, too far down the road. But this is going to be a good move. This is, going to be a little bit more of a long-term, play to keep. All right, definitely a year, or more down the road. I definitely see it popping up in the short term, but this is one I currently hold in my portfolio. I plan on holding. I know autonomous driving is the future. I know EV is the future. We've already established that. And at this price point, I don't mind hanging on to it for quite a while. If it dips, like I said, it looks like the support was about 523. 590 still not a bad move to get in. This is one definitely you want to get into much sooner. Next one I want to talk about, guys, is Nano Dimensions. I got involved with this when it was like 315, and I bought more at 5. I think it was just over 503. I'm a huge believer in this company. Everything about it, the CEO, the business model, okay, They're spread across multiple different markets, which is great. You never want to find a company that only has one out. Okay, you want multiple different interests in different markets and industries as well. Aerospace defense, which is huge. The United States defense budget has risen dramatically years over years. Medical, which is going to be huge. Baby boomers getting older, as well as the automotive world industry. I'm sorry. So this is going to be a big believer. Another thing I want to talk about with this company, guys, is they did another $250 million direct offering. All of this, discounted share price were scooped up. A direct offering basically gets scooped up by, ETFs, large, 9 and 10 figure investment firms that buy millions and millions of shares at a time. This is the third one they've done recently. Okay, look, it says right down here, guys, they did 180 million offering earlier this month, and then they did more. It all got scooped up. That is a huge, huge indicator that, other companies that have, hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars back behind it are buying the stock. That is great news for investors like us. Okay, so let's take a look at this chart. This is going to be another one. It's been continuously trending up. Okay, it's at 913. It sold off probably a little bit. You see it a little bit sideways. We're seeing a support of, what's that, about $8. A lot of those sell-offs, guys, came from the discounted share prices, which are very natural. However, the stock did not dip, which is a huge indicator that this is probably going to continue trending upward. You see right here the support. My support I have at probably a little bit higher. This is going to be a good play. This is one you can definitely get in and get out of quick. I see this continuing to rise. I wouldn't be surprised to see this double, if not triple, over the next of the year. I continuously dollar cost average and buy more as I have more funds come available into my portfolio. Great one for you, okay? Another one I want to mention, guys, which is what everyone's talking about, everyone's building hype out on YouTube, is Bio-nanogenomics. Genomics is going to be a huge, industry into the future. I'm a believer in it 100%. However, guys, look at this 3-month chart. Sky high up, and it's kind of just been selling off. Is there money to be made in this? Yes. However, be careful. Know what you're getting into. Don't put a ton of your money into it. It has the looks and the feels almost right now, the pump and dump. One thing of the news that I absolutely hate is they did a public offering, okay? A public offering, which is different than what Nano Dimensions did, a direct offering, gets sold to the public. Well, why would you want to sell 50, 100, 200, shares at a clip to, guys, like you and myself, when you can sell millions and millions of shares, all right, in a direct offering like Nano Dimension does? Well, a lot of times these companies go public offering because the institutions and huge investment firms, are not interested in it. Okay, which is definitely a red flag to me. Not going to say this stock doesn't have potential growth over the long term. I'm not going to say that you can't even make money in the short term. However, if you look at the trend of this, guys, this is something you're going to want to watch out for. All right, so just be careful. Just know, like I said, I've been investing for a long time. If I can say the last 10 years of my success has not been chasing and finding these 100%, stocks. It's been able to managing risk. Okay, as long as you always grow and profit more, okay, than you lose, you're gonna, grow up on your portfolio, guys. So I appreciate you watching this video. Leave me a comment, leave me a like down below. Consider subscribing and let me know how I did. Let me know what stocks you plan on investing. I always love to hear what everybody else does. As long as we can all grow together, guys, get knowledge together, we're going to be able to profit together. So appreciate it, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.